Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review on the Colourpop and Laura Lee Los Angeles collab. So this was released a couple of weeks ago, and 100% of the proceeds go to the No Kill LA Animal Shelter. So I really love Colourpop and Laura Lee, and I had to pick these up because the colors are completely amazing. So you get this little Super Shock eyeshadow quad, as well as a set of 3 liquid lipsticks. So in the lipsticks you get the shade Wham, which is an ultra glossy lip, which is this beautiful kind of sparkly gold champagne color. You get Bam, which is an ultra satin lip, and this is in this beautiful kind of dark red color, which is what I'm wearing on my lips right now. And you get an ultra metallic called Glam, which is a kind of rose gold metallic. I think the names are really super cute because they're matching. The shade range is beautiful, and you will see those all swatched in a minute. For the eyeshadow quad, you get the shade Ritz, which is an ultra metallic. That's this guy here. It's kind of hard to see in the packaging, but it's like a shimmery champagne color that kind of matches the lip gloss. You get the shade Shiny, which is a matte shadow. It's kind of like a dark reddish brown. You get Glitz, which is a satin shade, and this one here is kind of a reddish pinky rose color. And you get Hiney, which is an ultra metallic, and it's kind of a rose gold metallic, kind of also matches the lip gloss, or lips, the lip metallic lip. But anyways, this is a quick little look I threw together using these products, and hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the little tutorial. So I'm just going to start by swatching the 3 lipsticks that came in the collection. So the first one is the Ultra Metallic Lip. This is in the shade Glam. Alright, so this is the shade Glam on the lips. It's a really pretty kind of coppery rose metallic. Next is the Ultra Satin Lip. This is in the shade Bam. Alright, so this is the shade Bam on the lips. It's a really pretty kind of dark cranberry kind of red. And I like this formula because it's not super drying like their ultra mattes. And the last lip shade in the collection is the shade Wham, which is a really pretty sparkly ultra glossy lip. Alright, so this is the shade Wham by itself. It's a very, very sparkly glossy lip, which you could wear by itself or over top of one of the other 2 lipsticks. Now onto the eyeshadows. So this comes with 4 Super Shock shadows. So first is the shade Glitz, which is this really pretty kind of terracotta brownish red, I guess. And next we have the shade Shiny, which is a kind of darker color, darker red. And next is the shade Hiney. So this one is a metallic, and it's a really pretty kind of rose gold metallic. Show on everything. And last but not least is the shade Ritz, which is a really pretty kind of gold sparkly metallic. Alright, so this is the 4 shadows that it comes with. I think that these shadows are really pretty and they go really, really well together, and I'm obsessed with this color right here. My brother wants to show you guys my little hamster.
This is Melanie.
She's really cute.
She's very small.
She's a little dwarf hamster that I rescued. I think I mentioned this in my 20 random facts about me video, but yeah, that's Melanie.
Okay, say bye, Melanie.
Bye, Mel. I'm just going to start by taking the shade Glitz and just kind of buffing that into the crease a little bit. These do work with a brush, but normally I would use my finger. I'm just lazy. Okay, so that is the shade Glitz in the crease. Next, I'm just taking the shade Shiny and just darkening up the outer corner. Next, I'm going to take the shade Hiney, which is that really pretty kind of rose gold color. Just use my fingertip and dip in there and just press it onto the eyelid. And now I'm just going to take the shade Ritz and just press it into the very center of the eyelid. And then also take a pencil brush and apply that to the inner corner of the eye. And then just on a small brush, I'm just taking the shade Glitz again and just putting that onto the lower lash line. Alright, and that's the final look, so I'm going to zoom you out and give you my final thoughts. Okay, so this is the look I created using the Laura Lee Colourpop collection. So I really liked the 4 eyeshadows. I think that the colors work really, really well together. And I'm a huge fan of the Super Shock shadow formula. It's kind of weird because it's like a cushion and then turns to a powder. But they do blend really nicely, and I think the colors are really beautiful. And the 3 lip shades I think are really cute. I really liked the dark red called Bam. I'm not really a huge fan of metallic lips, but I think this one paired with the gloss would be really pretty. And I do really like Colourpop's formulas, so that was really great. And these are really cheap and affordable, so that's a huge bonus. And 100% of the proceeds go to the No Kill LA Animal Shelter. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this review. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave, and I will see you all at the next video. Bye, guys.